In this video, we are going to see how we can construct a binary tree if we are given the pre-order and the in-order traversals. Suppose if this is the pre-order traversal and we know that in a pre-order traversal, always the root node is visited before we visit the left subtree or the right subtree. So in this order, the nodes will be visited. First the root node, then the left subtree and then the right subtree. In order traversal, first the left subtree is visited, then the root node and then the right subtree is visited. So if we are given the pre-order traversal and in-order traversal, we can build a binary tree. So if we want to construct a binary tree, we first need to know the root. So if we know the root of the tree, then we can begin from there. Now we see that from the pre-order traversal, we know that the root will always be at the first, that will be the first element of the traversal. So if we see that this element 4, it implies that 4 is the root of the tree. So that means we know that the root of the tree is element 4. Now, which of the elements are in the left subtree of this root node and which of the elements are on the right subtree of this root node? That we can figure out from this in-order traversal, because it says that to the left of this root node would be the elements which are to the left of the root node, and all elements which are existing on the right would be the elements in the right subtree of the root node. So if we scan this traversal values, if we scan, we find that the root node is over here, 4. So that means all these elements which are on the left hand side of this root node 4, root element 4, they are belonging to the left subtree, and all these elements which are to the right of this root element, they will be part of the right subtree, 10, 8 and 11. Now if we see these elements 2 and 3, we have to figure out which is the root of the left subtree. So to figure out the root, again we will have to traverse the pre-order traversal. So when we traverse this, after the root element, we have this element 3. So 3 is occurring before 2. That means 3 is the root of the left subtree. So 3 is the root of the left subtree. Now we need to know whether 2 is the left subtree of 3 or does it belong to the right subtree of 3. So for that, again we check the in-order traversal. So we scan this and find the root element 3. So for 3, 2 is occurring on the left hand side of 3. That means 2 belongs to the left subtree of 3. So here we have 2. Now we are done with all the elements over here, and as we can see, there is no right subtree of 3 also. Otherwise there would have been an element over here. But currently we can see that there is no element which is between 3 and 4 and no element which is remaining over here also. Now we come to the right subtree of this root element 4. Out of these given elements, which is the root node of the right subtree? So to check this, again we will visit the pre-order traversal to check the root. So when we start scanning, we have already visited 4, 3 and 2. So when we start scanning, the first element that comes in out of these set of elements is 5. That means 5 will be the root of the right subtree. Now 5 is the root. So which elements are on the left of 5 and which elements are on the right of 5? So for this, now we will have to again scan the in-order traversal. So we scan the in-order traversal again and we get that the root element 5 is here. So all elements which are to the left of 5 and between the root element and 5 are 6 and 7. So these are the ones which will be to the left, will belong to the left of the root element 5, and 10, 8 and 11 will belong to the right subtree of 5. Once we have reached here, again we need to check whether 6 or 7 is the root node of the left subtree of 5. So again we can check this again from this pre-order, because the root element comes first. So we see that 7 is coming before 6. So 7 comes first. So 7 is the root node. Now 6 is towards the left of 7, or is it the right subtree of 7? To check that, again we have to traverse the in-order traversal, find the root element 7, and we see that 6 is on the left hand side of 7. So that means 6 is the left child of 7. So we are done with this, and on this side if we see to check the node, again we have to go and check the pre-order traversal. So if we check this, we see that 8 comes before 10 and 11. That means 8 is the root node, because pre-order traversal it always gives the root node first. So 8 is the root node, but 10 and 11 now we have to check whether they belong to the left or to the right of the root node 8. So again we check, scan the in-order traversal and find the root element 8. We see that 10 is on the left hand side of 8. So that means it will be on the left side, and 11 is on the right side of 8. That means that will belong to the right subtree. So now we are done with all elements and our binary tree has been constructed. From this binary tree, you can compute the pre-order traversal and you should get this. And you can check the in-order traversal also and you should be able to get this. So this is a way of checking whether the binary tree that you have constructed is correct or not.